Hi, I'm Gary with MDT Marketing. Aviation Institute of Maintenance, or AIM, boosted their enrollment rate by over 22%, running a campaign that ultimately delivered an ROI of over 10x. How? We partnered with AIM to build a sophisticated enrollment nurturing campaign, a fully automated campaign that deploys to all new prospects the moment they first inquire. Now, most of you are probably familiar with this concept, but you may not be familiar with the typical results when done well. And AIM's results are pretty typical. Why? A well-built enrollment nurturing campaign goes a long way in supporting admissions' ability to contact and engage prospective students. And that's what makes it so impactful to an institution's bottom line. Yet it gets little attention from the vast majority of institutions we survey. In fact, it's not unusual for us to see institutions exclusively focus their marketing resources on top-of-funnel demand generation campaigns. But if your institution's not doing an exceptional job of nurturing that demand, it's a huge missed opportunity. You're likely losing hundreds of enrollments every year. So what's the real value of enrollment optimization, and how do you do it in a way that drives enrollment growth, like we were able to do for AIM? Download our latest white paper. It covers all of this, including the AIM case study. There's a link below this video. And for you math geeks like me, we also break down our campaign testing process and give step-by-step instructions on ROI calculations and cost-benefit analysis when considering an investment between enrollment nurturing versus demand generation. So bottom line, don't overlook the power of a great nurturing campaign. With the right investment, it's going to move the needle. And it's one of the most efficient campaigns your institution can run. So be sure to check out our white paper. If you have any more questions, we're happy to help. Talk soon.